Hey friends, my today's video will be in English as many of my viewers wanted that I should make few videos in English as well. So today's video is about Multani Mitti Face Pack to get instant and permanent whitening, brightening and lightening skin tone with the help of just 3 ingredients. You need to use this face pack twice a week for a month to get best result. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For Multani Mitti face pack, we need Multani Mitti 1 tablespoon, little of sandalwood powder and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Multani Mitti absorbs excess oil from the skin. Sandalwood powder refreshes our skin and rose water gives cooling effect to our skin. So friends, let's start the process. Add 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti, little of chandan powder and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Mix these ingredients very well. Once the paste is ready, apply a thin layer of paste on your face evenly. Keep it for 20 minutes and wash it with cold water. This will give you an instant glow and a permanent effect to your skin. Make the paste as per your requirement to avoid the wastage. Apply this paste twice weekly for the best result. Thank you for watching friends. Like and subscribe for more videos.